Hi, this is Mike. Thanks for joining me here at Keto-friendly Journey with Mike, Reformed Fat Man. So you started keto and you're thinking, oh God, I used to love bagels with cream cheese with smoked salmon on it, but I can't have that now. Guess what? I got a surprise for you. Stick around. So for our bagel with cream cheese and some smoked salmon on it, we're going to use the Egglife wrap. Now I could use the everything but the bagel Egglife wrap, but I don't have any. So I'm using the original. Now you're saying, that's not a bagel. It's not a bagel. Well, we're gonna get as close as we can without a bagel. And this is what we're gonna do. I've got one of them in the pan. I've coated each side with avocado oil, and I've got the stove warming here, and I'm going to lightly toast each side just to put a little bit of color on it and impart a little bit of that flavor into it. And once that's done, then I'll come back and show you what's next. So I have added a little bit of cream cheese to our Egglife wrap. And now, and the cream cheese I'm using came from Aldi, and it's whipped cream cheese. Just I got the onion, chive and onion, and just add a little bit of flavor. Oh yes, I see there is this. You have avoided me for so long because the work would test my blood and my pee for drugs. But now we meet. We are finally together now that I am retired. So please be as good as you have been advertised. Sprinkle a little bit of everything but the bagel. There's that. Whoops. Drop the top onto the counter. And I'm going to add just a smidgen of smoked salmon. Just a little bit, not a lot. Not a lot. And the smoked salmon came from Aldi. Everything in this pan came from Aldi. So now it has started to get itself good and melded together, and we're going to roll this bad boy up and let it toast and seal itself up just fine and dandy like that. Okay, she's starting to seal up just fine. We're going to get this down to the last one. We got our plate ready. The fine china is going to be used. Let's move it around a little bit. Get it good and toasted on both sides. Because what you're going to do with a bagel, you're going to toast it. So let's get this toasted. And we plate it. Turn off the heat. Move the pan off the heat. And we're ready to try it. So we're ready to try this. You can see turned out real good inside. You see the seasoning, the cream cheese, and the salmon. It pretty much dispersed itself all the way through. So with the heat, that's good there. Alrighty. So I am joined with my lovely wife, Paige. She has agreed to help us with this taste test because I can't be trusted. She can. So
it's such a tough job I have trying all this food.
So what I did was I took an Egglife wrap, toasted it on both sides with some avocado oil on it. Put some cream cheese on it that had the chive and onion in it. It was whipped cream cheese because it would be easier to spread. Then I put some everything but the bagel seasoning. Then I put the smoked salmon. Then I let it toast a little bit with that on there. Then I rolled it up and made it into a little thing like this. Now, what I would have loved to have done is taken it and kind of bend it into the shape of a bagel, but yeah, that wouldn't work. So, anyway.
So I have one problem.
What's that?
Yours is bigger than mine.
Oh, want to swap?
Yours has more stuff in it. See,
Okay.
look. See how?
Oh,
See?
I will swap with you. I was only going to have one bite and give
Okay.
you the rest.
Oh,
because-
okay. Okay, we'll stick with that.
Because
I'm
really,
being really
I'm not
stingy
ready
because
to eat.
I love salmon. I'm being stingy. I'm sorry.
I'm kidding.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, she ain't kidding.
I'm not
on
usually
that.
stingy with
No,
the food stuff
no.
or much of
No,
anything.
generally you just take what you want off of my plate. Or out of my drink or what.
Okay, you didn't have to tell those nice people.
It's okay, dear. It's okay. Mike shares food. It's okay.
Yes, you did.
So,
Okay.
cheers. That's good.
That is really good.
That is so good. That's my first time having everything but the bagel seasoning because, well, you know, it's got poppy seeds in it, and
Really good. Mm.
I have, over the years, I've avoided them like the plague because the word is they will give you a false positive on a drug test, and I was subject to drug testing.
Yeah.
Mythbusters tested it, found out that it did give some positive indications of opioids in your system. So I didn't use it. Well, now I'm retired. Guess what? I'm going to use it because that stuff's good. It's in there. It helps a lot.
Well, I didn't have to worry about that. So.
No, you didn't.
Oh my goodness, this is so good.
So I would you with more.
Here, I'll trade you. I'll give you mine.
Okay. No.
I don't want to be completely
Okay. I'll eat the rest of this.
bad.
I wasn't going to eat. I wasn't really hungry. I was just doing it.
Oh, well, you don't have
for you
to.
and to make a video and to try it too.
You don't
to see
have
what
to
it
eat the
tastes like.
rest.
I'll have
No,
one
mine's
more.
better. No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Well, you
I'm
got the
kidding.
rest
I'm
anyway.
kidding.
It's really good.
Really good.
That is so good.
You gotta try this.
I love it. So, there you have it. You can have the flavors you had before with that cream cheese and smoked salmon bagel and do it on an egg wrap and be happy. Enjoy it. I hope you'll try it. This is Mike at Keto-friendly Journey and Paige. Sorry. And thanks for joining us, and let's be careful out there.